Welcome to the first episode in the budget build Mini Clubman. Basically, I thought I'd do a quick job. One thing that's been bugging me about this car is the aerial on the roof. So I've got myself my ratchet and I've got myself my socket out, and I literally touched it and it snapped. So that was an easy job, well done. So I'll remove it now and see what we've got to deal with regarding welding it back up. So yeah, as you can see, that has completely snapped off. So good riddance really, and this just comes straight out. I don't particularly like minis with aerials on the roof like that. I don't think it looks right. It definitely doesn't look right on an older mini. So yeah, that's going straight in the bin. So if it has a radio in this car, which it probably won't, so I'm not too bothered by music in minis, it'll have like a wing mounted one. So yeah, I probably won't even have one. But yeah, so we've got this now to weld up. So let's get on with that. As ever guys, if you're doing anything with a grinder or anything that involves sparks, eye protection, ear protection, and you should really wear gloves, but I don't intend to make too much mess. Right, so what I've done there is I've used one of these sort of plastic wheels which literally just takes the paint off the top. It doesn't damage the metal. And we're going to try and put a bit of copper behind it. It's always quite good. And try and just weld to that basically. If we can do that, that's one little job ticked off for the first episode. And it's cost, what? 4 seconds of a disc and a bit of weld. So obviously we're going to have to put consumables into this budget. And we'll try and work that out maybe at the end, maybe when the car's painted maybe. But yeah, let's get the welder out. Right, so the welder's set up now. I've got my little piece of copper and I'm going to put that underneath, and then I'm just basically going to try and build it up a little bit of weld. You'd be sat there for ages trying to make a tiny little round circle to go in there. So I'm just going to try and fill this up with a bit of weld. Put a filler in it, it's just going to crack out. This will require a light skimper filler. The roof's got a few dents in it as it is, so we'll go with that for now, I think, see how it goes. I haven't got a lot of gas left in my welder, so let's hope we can get this job done quickly. Right, so not the prettiest of welds, but you can see I've welded up now. I'm going to have to linish that back and I might have to nib it in, but I don't want to put too much heat in the panel. You probably saw from that I was doing it a bit stopping, and there doesn't seem to be any warping. So yeah, I'm happy at that. So we'll knock this back when it's cooled down a little bit and see where we're at. And that's the first job done then. So there we have it, first repair done. Aerial is no more. You saw me in the video there just trying to sort of stop start with the welder. There's a little bit of I think that's more how thick this paint is. You can feel it, but you can't feel where that ever was now. So that works. It requires a little skimper filler, but I get some etch on it now, some etch primer, and we will call that a job done. You sort of see there where it was. Again, that'll be just quickly tidied back. The headliner obviously covers that, so I'm not going into great detail with that. But you can see on the roof there's some slight surface rust there. I'm going to clean that back while I've got the etch primer out and treat it with some cure rust. And let's call that front part of the roof done then. Right, so I've rust treated it all now, and now I've got some zinc primer on it. A little bit of pitting there, which is a bit annoying, but it's not come through to the other side. I'm quite chuffed with it. It's good solid steel roof there. You can tell it's an older Mini, the steel's just that bit thicker. But yeah, sorry about the light there. But that's one job ticked off the list. Thank you for watching the first episode, or the first job on the budget Clubman build. Little job done, but it was something that's really bugging me about the car, and it's done now. So obviously we'll require a little skim filler on the roof when we come to body prep, and some surface rust inside the roof's done. So chuffed at that. Thank you for watching. If you like these sort of videos, give it a like and comment below if there's anything you want to know. Yeah, onwards and upwards. Let's keep with these little jobs and work our way up to the bigger ones.